Vivo X Fold 5. Full specifications. Operating system. Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15. Up to 4 years of major updates. Build design. Premium glass and aluminum alloy frame. Colors. Titanium grey. Feather white. Water and dust resistant. IPv8. IP9. Weight. 217 grams. Display. Main. Display. 8.03 inch. Foldable. LTPO AMOLED. 120Hz refresh rate. HDR10+. Dolby Vision. Peak brightness up to 1200 nits. Cover display. 653-inch AMOLED. 120Hz. HDR10+. Dolby Vision. Armor Glass 2nd Gen for extra protection. Processor. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8. Gen 3. Latest flagship chip. Adreno 750 GPU for smooth gaming graphics. Memory storage. 16GB RAM. 512GB UFS 4.1 storage. Ultra fast. No card slot. Rear cameras. 50MP main wide camera with OIS 50MP periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom. 50MP ultra wide lens. Zeiss optics. Laser autofocus and advanced color sensors. Video recording up to 8K resolution. Front cameras. Main. Front 20MP. Cover camera 20MP. Both support HDR and Full HD video recording. Connectivity 5G plus 4G supported. Wi-Fi 7 latest generation. Bluetooth 5.4 with high-quality audio support. USB Type-C 3.2 with OTG display port, NFC and infrared blaster. Sensors features. Side-mounted fingerprint scanner. High-res audio. With stereo speakers. Snapdragon sound support. Gaming optimized performance. Battery charging 6000 mAh. Large battery 80 baht. Super fast wired charging 40 baht. Wireless charging. Reverse charging both wired wireless. Price Rs 569.99 PKR around 1979 US.